Hello and welcome to Madrasi's Kitchen, and our recipe for today is potato kebab. Let's have a quick glance of the ingredients we are going to use today. 2 onions finely chopped, 2 spoons of chili flakes, required amount of salt, chopped coriander leaves, ghee, tomatoes, turmeric powder, garam masala powder, cumin seeds, coriander powder, 3 finely chopped chilies, 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Add some salt to the boiling water and add 3 potatoes to it. Boil these potatoes till soft and peel off the skin. I have taken the cut potatoes after peeling the skin. I am adding corn flour to this. Chopped onions. Chopped coriander leaves. Chopped green chilies, tomatoes, chili flakes, turmeric and red chili powder together, coriander powder, garam masala powder, cumin seeds, ghee. I have taken 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now I am smashing it together. Turn it into a nicely smashed mixture. So this is a smashed mixture. Now take a pan, heat the oil. I have taken 2 tablespoons of oil and I am using 2 eggs today. And make a good egg scramble. Once the scramble is ready, add this mixture to the already prepared potato dough. So now I am mixing the prepared egg with that already prepared dough. Smash and mix it nicely to get an even mixture. Now make a lemon sized ball and press it with your hand to make a perfect shape of the kebab. Continue doing the same to the other balls too. And now once you are ready with all the pieces, let's take a pan, heat some oil and place the prepared pieces. Try to leave some gap in between the kebabs so that it will not stick together. Keep doing it in a medium flame. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes for one side to get cooked well. So now one side is cooked proper, and so I am turning it to the other side. So now you can see the kebab finely cooked. It gives a nice golden brown color. Our kebabs are now ready to serve. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe to Madrasi's Kitchen channel for more such videos.